Welcome to our fifth grade class.
In this math lesson, we solved a word problem. First, we read the problem 3 times. Next, we had to write notes based on the problem. After that, we had to work with a partner to create a picture to represent the problem. Then we had to figure out what operation to solve the problem. Finally, we solved the problem by subtracting. On our writing wall is all the writing we published this year. We learned about the penny and wrote an opinion essay of whether or not the government should keep making pennies. In addition, we learned about the stink bug and wrote an informative writing. We also read a story and then wrote the story in our own words in the dad's point of view. We wrote a persuasive essay if schools should follow traditional school or year-round. We wrote a poem of technology and how we could use them and the misuses of them. In this science lesson, we talked about how high we can jump on different planets, and we talked about gravity on the other planets. First, we did a test to see how high we can jump on Earth. Next, we looked at the gravity on the other moons and planets to see if there is more or less gravity. Then we divided or multiplied the number we got on Earth by the gravity on the other planet. We discovered that small planets have less gravity and larger planets have more gravity, so we can jump a lot higher on smaller planets. In class, we chose a question we wanted to find out about. For example, my question was, how does sand get on the beach? We then did research on our question and wrote down notes about what we learned. Then we did a project. Many of us did posters. For example, I did a trifold poster explaining my question.
Some of us chose to create a slide to show what we learned. For example, my question was, how do animals protect themselves? Defenses: teeth, horns, plates, spikes, big tails. These are all what we call animal defenses. Some animals have a different defense. For example, a skunk can give off an odor or spray to defend themselves. Some animals have horns like a gazelle. Poison and venom. Venom could be used when an animal is hunting for food or for protecting itself from danger. Poisons are similar to venoms, as they are chemicals that are stored in special glands inside an animal's body. Spikes and camouflage. Spines are long, narrow structures and animals use to protect themselves. Some animals camouflage in their habitat so predators won't eat the other animals.
Each student in our class wrote a reflection of their experiences in 5th grade. Then we recorded a video using Seesaw. If you scan these QR codes, you can see our videos.